Hello, you're watching The Data Drop, brought to you by Unifeye. My name is Jeff Jones. I'm a senior data architect at Unifeye, and today we're going to be talking about the Lakehouse. Lakehouse, what does that even mean? Well, in order to discuss that, we need to have a very quick history lesson, and maybe some of the things we talk about might resonate with where you are currently as a business. Traditionally, we would have data warehouses. These were built on relational databases such as Oracle or SQL Server. And these are really good at handling high volumes of structured data, and you can get really quick sort of business intelligence insights or financial reporting. But they really fall down when you need to load in things like PDFs or JSON files, things that are unstructured, that don't really fit into the traditional columns and rows paradigm of data. Then in the early 2010s, something called the data lake became a thing, where cloud storage became increasingly cheap, and you could basically throw whatever you wanted up into the cloud and run analytics workloads and machine learning workloads on top of that data, and it would work great. But a problem that we found with the data lake is that it very quickly became what was unaffectionately referred to as a data swamp, where governance really started to fall apart. You'd have data sets sitting all over the place with no real understanding of where they were or what was good, what was bad. It became a real problem. And along came Databricks' Lakehouse. This brings together all the benefits, all the really fast, high-performance analytics work that you can do with data warehouse technologies, with the flexibility and variety of data that you might expect to see within a data lake. And they bring it together, and it's unlocked using something called Delta Lake, which is a file format that we've discussed in another video. Check that out on our LinkedIn. But effectively, this allows us to bring the best of both worlds together into one environment, which Databricks does perfectly. This means eliminating the cost of running two discrete systems that struggle to communicate with each other. This allows your different workloads across the business, your AI engineers, your BI developers, your data engineers, your analysts, all to work from the exact same set of data in the exact same environment within Databricks. Single pane of truth with all that really good governance and rigor and access control that we get with Databricks' Unity catalog. Another video on that coming soon. This really reduces the total cost of ownership and your time to insights massively. Gone are the days of pouring through containers on S3 or Azure storage, trying to find the exact Parquet files or the exact output that you're looking for. It's all there within the Lakehouse, readily available and with good governance and good access controls. We see examples of this really massively accelerating not only time to innovation and exciting new cool things that your business could be doing with this data, but also reducing the total cost of ownership, because you don't have to maintain these two different systems and you're using your data more efficiently, and the people that are working with the data get to do more cool stuff. And the evidence is really plain to see. There's a case study of a US retailer that we know that managed to cut their stockouts by 30%. They managed to unify their customer insights, warehouse, and their point of sale data all into one environment. Previously, they'd all been in different places, and in so doing, they managed to save $4 million on infrastructure costs just by consolidating those things. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any comments or concerns, give us a follow on LinkedIn. You can find more content like this every week. We have got blogs, we've got webinars. It's a great place for Databricks information. Until next time, we'll see you on the next video.